cardboard box, but we got them. We're gonna check them out. Y'all gonna be here for the unveiling. This is the first I've seen them. I hadn't even seen them yet. Got online and ordered them the other day. Look at there. I'm gonna tell you right now, I was wrong. I said the Virginia, the peanut company, but this is a Wakefield peanut company. They're out of Wakefield, Virginia. It's still Virginia peanuts. Man, they smell good. Oh man. We're gonna get these soaking. I may not cook the whole thing. We're probably gonna cook about half of them. We'll see. I may do some roasted. I don't know. We may boil them all. We may roast them. There ain't no telling. Fry some, do something. We're gonna figure out what to do. 25-pound bag of peanuts here. We're gonna figure out something to do with them. But I hope y'all seen them, and I'm telling you right now, like old barbecue pit boy said, that's good. That shit's always funny to me. But anyway, in a little while. All right, the ingredients for this boil we're gonna have is Cajun boil. You're gonna have a half a cup of salt per gallon, and then 1 teaspoon of each. And that's gonna be cayenne pepper, basil leaves, bay leaves. Now we're gonna use 1 of those per gallon. And you're going to use a teaspoon of black pepper per gallon, garlic powder, and you're going to have 1 ounce per gallon of crab oil, and at least 1 crab oil bag. We're going to use minced garlic, probably 1 ounce per gallon, I think, and crushed red pepper. You're going to do a teaspoon per gallon. We got some hot peppers. I may mince them up in there. I don't think I probably will. It's probably going to be warm enough without it. But that's going to get it started. I'm going to mix everything together and we'll go out there and add everything in. What we've got, just got a keg that I had a buddy of mine, a good friend of mine, and Michael Pitts, and he's passed on. He's a great guy. But anyway, I had him blow the top out of this with a torch, and I've been using it ever since, and it's very, very versatile for all sorts of boils and things like that. But anyway, what we've got, we started out with about 4 gallons of water, and we've got 12.5 pounds of peanuts, which is, half a bag. So that should be sufficient for what we're doing. But we're gonna get the fire going on this thing, get it to a boil, and then we're gonna put our seasonings in it, and let them meld together, and then we'll get the peanuts in and start this boil. To a rolling boil here. We're going to go ahead and add all the spices there. That's everything we was talking about inside. We're just going to dump all that in. Stir it around, let it come back to a boil, and let that mellow out for about 5-10 minutes. Get everything going. Good, and everything dissolved in there. Piece de resistance crab boil bag. We're gonna move, when we put them peanuts in, we're gonna take it out of there and put it on the top so it don't sink to the bottom and not do anything. I want it to roll around with them peanuts, son. All right, here we go. about 2 hours. We're gonna check these nuts in, see what's going on. Yeah, they coming along good. I'm gonna end up adding some more water to them because they starting to get water's coming out of them, or evaporating out of them. Just gonna give them a good stir. I'm gonna go ahead and pull some out. Just tell it's gonna be a long time before they're done, but I just wanted to try some, see what the flavoring's kind of doing. I want y'all look. This is a spoon that ladle that I got from my granddaddy, inherited from him from the Marine Corps, and it's dated back in 1944. Look at that thing. I mean, there ain't nothing wrong with that. I've also got a fork like that, but that's just some of the things that, you know, take pride in keeping care of and using over the years. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this water, put a gallon of water in here. Hold on just a minute. And it's not boiling or anything, obviously, so it's, I mean, it's gonna knock the boil off of it. But it's not going to take long for it to come back up, because I mean that burner's hot. And you're not sacrificing anything, cause I mean, you know, you still got the same amount of seasonings in there. And it's just, you know, to go with the ratio of water. They look clean right now, but they won't be in a little bit, because that seasoning will get right back on them. All right, we're going to put the lid back on and keep on going. After a long debate with my wife, my better half, I got to give up my secret ingredient for these boiled peanuts. It was sketchy there for a minute. I didn't want to. There it is. It was smoked and hickory. There's several different kinds, but get the hickory. I'm gonna pour this in. There's about 5 gallons of water. I've added some more water to it, but just pour the whole bottle in there. That's it. I'm telling you right now. Pick them up a notch you ain't seen before. I'll let you on a little bit. I did.